morning, students. Welcome you to your new academic year 2021-22. In this new academic year, a new subjects are included in your syllabus for standard 6. Out of that, today we are looking another new subject which is already a part of EVS subject that you learnt in a standard 5th. Now from that EVS subject, this part is separated and included as a new subject, that is geography. जिओ म्हणजे अर्थ, ग्राफी म्हणजे त्याची भौगोलिक रचना. सो वी आर गेटिंग a more information or graphical information about the earth and different places present on the earth, different locations present on all the geographical information we are getting in this subject, that is name as a geography. भूगोल, मराठीमध्ये त्याला काय बोलतात, भूगोल, and which is included in your standard 6. So let's begin for this new subject with a new lesson number 1, that is the earth and the gratitude. The earth and the gratitude. So you know the meaning of earth, the planet on which we are living, and gratitude present on that earth. Gratitude मराठीमध्ये त्याला वृत्त म्हणतात. A distance measurement thing or a graphical representation is word regarding this gratitude. So let's learn the new concept, that is gratitude. What is gratitude and how it is related to our earth? All these things we have to learn in this lesson. So let's begin. What is given in your book? Look at this. Yes, it is a map of world. A map of world is given, and some places are shown, different things are shown in the map, just like you can see ocean. Some of the people names are there, girls, boys are there, which is also indicated in this map. Then some important places like Agra, St. Petersburg. Then all these 7 continents are also represented on this map. So let's begin why this map is given and what are different questions based on this. You have to observe this map and you have to give the answer of this following question. So let's begin. बघा, हा मॅप ऑब्झर्व करायचा आणि त्या रिलेटेड काही क्वेश्चन दिलेत दॅट वी हॅव टू सॉल्व. सो इट इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच प्लेस आर शोन ऑन द मॅप. मॅपवरती कोणकोणते प्लेसेस दाखवले आहेत दॅट वी हॅव टू आयडेंटिफाय. सो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस, फ्रॉम दिस. Yes, Lima is the one place with the pink dot. Places are shown. Lima. Another place is St. Petersburg, Rome, then Kimberley, then Agra, which is present in India, Port Blair, Tokyo. Yes, these places are shown in this map. Next question is, in which city is the Taj Mahal located? Look at Taj Mahal. Yes, it is the image of Taj Mahal. And where it is located, in which city? Agra. Then in which continent is the Taj Mahal located? How many continents are present on earth? Yes, total 7 continents are there. 7 खंड आहेत आपल्या याच्यावरती. So look at these continents which is shown with the help of a brown color. North America, South America, Antarctica, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 continents. And out of these 7 continents, in which continent Agra is present? Look at, yes, North America, South America, not. Yes, it is Agra which is present in which continent? Asia. आपण ज्या कॉन्टिनेंट मध्ये राहतोय, इंडिया इज कमिंग इन विच कॉन्टिनेंट? एशिया, आशिया. मराठीमध्ये त्याला आशिया खंड म्हणतो, इन इंग्लिश एशिया. सो इन विच कॉन्टिनेंट ताजमहल इज लोकेटेड? Yes, in the continent Asia, Taj Mahal is located. Next question, in which direction is the Taj Mahal located? For Graham in St. Petersburg, for Katia in Kimberley, for मिचिको इन टोकियो अँड मीनाक्षी इन अ पॉर्ट ब्लेअर. काय सांगितलंय आपल्याला? ताजमहालचं लोकेशन सांगायचंय. वी हॅव टू टेल अ डायरेक्शन ऑफ Taj Mahal from different places. First, from which? Graham. Look at a Graham. Graham is present here. In which city? St. Petersburg. So from St. Petersburg, where Agra is located, in which direction? And we know how many directions are there. Main directions are 4. Look at, I am drawing here. It is east, west, north, south. Yes, look at here. North direction is given on a map, which is indicated by letter N. Then sub directions, that is northeast, northwest, then here southeast, and here southwest. So all the 4 direction and sub directions are there. And tell me in which directions, if I take him as a center point, so at which direction Taj Mahal is present? Southeast. From St. Petersburg, Agra is located at which direction? Southeast. Southeast. Then tell me from Meenakshi. From Meenakshi it is which direction? If this is a north direction upper, so turn it left. Means it is a northwest. So from Meenakshi it is present in a northwest direction. Then from Lima, if we are taking direction of Agra from Lima, it is directed like this. So this direction is which direction? Northeast. So from Lima it is a northeast direction. And last one, which? Meenakshi is complete. Katya. Katya is Kimberley city, and from her at which direction Agra is present? On which direction? Look at here. This direction is there. So this direction is the southwest direction. So Agra is located at a one place, but from different places it is showing different direction. बघा, आग्राची जागा बदलली आहे का? नाही. पण प्रत्येक पर्सनची जागा चेंज झाली आहे, प्लेसची जागा चेंज झाली आहे, आणि त्यानुसार आग्राची डिरेक्शन काय होत जाते? बदलत जाते. प्रत्येक सेंट पीटर्सबर्ग कडून कुठे? साऊथ ईस्टला. देन फ्रॉम Meenakshi it is in a northwest direction. Then from Katya, Kimberley to a southwest. Then from Lima from Lima it is in the northeast. So directions are changed. So Graham, Katya, Michio, Natalia, Meenakshi, Shahid and Indrik have answered above the questions differently. Because बघा, प्रत्येकाचा आन्सर वेगळं असणार आहे. बिकॉज Graham said that Graham will say that Agra is located towards a southeast direction from me. Graham काय म्हणणार? माझ्याकडून आग्रा साऊथ ईस्टला आहे. मीनाक्षी काय म्हणणार? माझ्याकडून नॉर्थ वेस्टला आहे. सो ऑल आर हॅव्हिंग अ डिफरंट आन्सर्स. So these directions and subdirections are not enough to locate a पोझिशन ऑफ एनी प्लेस. त्यामुळे हे डिरेक्शन आणि सब डिरेक्शन यूज करून आपण त्या जागेची एक स्पेसिफिक लोकेशन सांगू शकतो का? वेअर इट इज एक्झॅक्टली सिच्युएटेड? नो. When each of the children told us the direction from their respective places, their answers are different. So this means that the use of direction alone does not help us accurately describe the location of a place, because every person telling a different location of a Agra from its place. प्रत्येक व्यक्तीने काय केले? त्याच्या घरापासून किंवा त्याच्या सिटीपासून आग्राचं डिस्टन्स सांगितले, डिरेक्शन सांगितली. बट दीज डिरेक्शन्स आर डिफरंट for a different person, different children. So that is means directions and subdirections are not only useful to locate or to accurate location of a place. So for that, to solve this problem, so that is why it becomes necessary to find a new system to state the precise location of any place on the earth. आता आपण डिरेक्शन सब डिरेक्शन यूज करू शकत नाही लोकेशन इंडिकेट करण्यासाठी. सो दॅट इज वाय देअर इज अ न्यू कन्सेप्ट और न्यू thing is generated to show the status of exact location of any place on the earth. So let's see what is it. So we are looking a new concept which is used for identifying our position of a object. Look at this image which is present on your book. It is a mini model of a earth. It is a mini model of a earth, and you can see different lines are present on it, from north to south, from east to west. So now we are looking, this is the one solution is find out with the by the geographical scientist to solve our problem, to find out exact location of a any place on the earth. So suppose this is our earth, पृथ्वी आपली गोल आहे. So let's consider this is our earth. Upper side direction is north, downward is south, right side east, and it is west. So suppose it is a earth. It shows a length of east west diameter and north south diameter. ह्या डायग्राम मध्ये आपल्याला काय दाखवलंय, ईस्ट वेस्ट डायमीटर म्हणजे ईस्ट पासून वेस्ट पर्यंत डिस्टन्स किती आहे टोटल डायमीटर. इट इज अबाउट 12,756 kilometers. East west diameter of earth is how many? 12,756 kilometer. What you have to remember? East west diameter. East west diameter or length of or distance of east west present on our earth, it is 12,756 kilometer. And from north south diameter, north direction पासून south direction पर्यंत total distance how many it is? 12,740. So these two distance are different. बघा, if I am drawing or we are drawing here a circle, but their directions are different. Sorry, distances are different. बघा, आपण circle असेल, if we are drawing a circle, then from the center of the circle all distances should be same. All distances should be same, means these diameters all are of a same length, but here it is, you can find out, no. बघा, east west direction distance, east west diameter is greater than the north south direction. So obviously there is a difference in the distance. then बघा, ईस्ट वेस्ट हे अंतर जास्त आहे नॉर्थ साऊथ पेक्षा, म्हणजेच पृथ्वीवरती ज्या ज्या पोझिशन किंवा ज्या ज्या ठिकाणी प्लेसेस आहेत त्यांच्यामध्ये डिस्टन्समध्ये फरक असणार आहे. सो वी कॅनॉट एक्झॅक्टली ड्रॉ सच अ हॉरिझॉन्टल अँड व्हर्टिकल लाईन ऑन दॅट अर्थ. आपण अशा पृथ्वीवरती, बिकॉज our direction system is present like this in a 90-degree angle, straight lines are there, but in actual we cannot draw such a straight line on the earth. काय इथे त्याचं प्रत्येकाचा डायमीटर डिस्टन्स वेगळा आहे, त्यामुळे आपण त्याच्यावरती स्ट्रेट लाईन ड्रॉ करू शकत नाही. and these diameters are different, and you observe that on our earth different oceans, land, forest, or innumerable islands are present which are having a different size and length. बघा, हे वेगवेगळं का दिसतंय? बिकॉज दिस विल गिव्ह यू सम आयडिया अबाउट द साईज ऑफ द अर्थ. त्यामुळे आपण अर्थची साईज समजू शकतो की ईस्ट पासून वेस्ट पर्यंत सर्वात जास्त आहे डिस्टन्स, म्हणजे तिथे जाड असणार आहे, म्हणजे फुगीर असणार आहे. आणि नॉर्थ टू साऊथ इट इज डिस्टन्स इज लो, मीन्स it is a minimum or distance is less, so that is means size should be a compact. So from that we can get an idea that oceanic waters, uneven nature of lands, forests, innumerable islands of different sizes, and buildings make it impossible to actually draw such a lines on the earth. आपल्या पृथ्वीवरती वेगवेगळे प्रकारचे ओशन्स, महासागर आहेत, नदी, समुद्र, तलाव, जंगल आहेत, बिल्डिंग्स आर प्रेझेंट. सो दॅट इज व्हाय वी कॅनॉट ड्रॉ सच अ स्ट्रेट लाईन्स ऑन दॅट अर्थ. त्यामुळे आपण ऍक्च्युली अशा स्ट्रेट लाईन ड्रॉ करू शकतो ना का. समजा इथे एक माउंटन if at this place mountain is present and at this place ocean is present, so how we can draw a straight actual line on this mountain, on this ocean? So it is not possible. So to solve this problem, geographers develop in order to overcome this difficulty. Which difficulty? With oceanic water, uneven nature of Iceland, forests, innumerable Iceland, different sizes of building make it impossible to actually draw a straight line on the earth. And in order to overcome this difficulty, हा प्रॉब्लेम, कारण पृथ्वीवरती वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे गोष्टी प्रेझेंट आहेत आणि त्यांच्यामुळे आपण पृथ्वीवरती असे स्ट्रेट हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन, व्हर्टिकल लाईन ड्रॉ करू शकत नाही. टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लेम, जिओग्राफर्स म्हणजे जे भूगोलशास्त्रज्ञ आहेत, भूगोलाचा अभ्यास करतायत, जिओग्राफीचा अर्थचा स्टडी करतायत, these scientists develop a miniature model of the earth in the form of a globe. त्यांनी काय केलंय, पृथ्वीचं एक छोटं मॉडेल तयार केलंय. अँड दॅट मॉडेल, अ मिनिएचर मॉडेल, सिमिलर मॉडेल, but it is a small compact model of a earth in the form of a globe. It is called as a globe. So you can observe such a globe image, or such a globe is present in our, look at this image, actual image. Such a globe will be available in our school, colleges. So this is a miniature model. This is called as a globe. He globe, actual globe, and with the help of this globe, scientists study about all the places and geographical nature of our earth. ही एक पृथ्वी आहे, पृथ्वीचं एक छोटं मॉडेल तयार केलं आणि त्या मॉडेलचं नेम काय आहे, अ ग्लोब. द ग्लोब, विच इज अ मिनिएचर मॉडेल, and on that model we can draw a line. This can be used to determine the locations of the earth. So आणि आता ह्या ग्लोबच्या मदतीने काय करतात, जिओग्राफर्स आर डिटरमाइनिंग द लोकेशन ऑन द अर्थ, आणि ह्याच्या मदतीने ते लोकेशन डिसाइड. वन कॅन ॲक्च्युअली ड्रॉ अ हॉरिझॉन्टल अँड व्हर्टिकल लाईन ऑन अ ग्लोब, दो नॉट ऑन द अर्थ. Thus they are imaginary lines on the earth. So if this is a globe, so on that globe we can draw, आता हा आपल्याकडे मॉडेल असणार आहे. So on that globe we can draw a horizontal or lines where we need, but on the actual earth we can draw no. So for this, our research purpose, for our practical use, this globe model is made, which is a miniature model of our earth. So we can actually draw a line on this globe, and these lines are the imaginary line present on the, these lines are the imaginary lines actually present on the earth. आपण ज्या ग्लोब वरती काढतोय त्याच लाईन्स म्हणजे काय, इमॅजिनरी लाईन असणार आहेत आपल्या अर्थवरचे. ऍक्च्युअली आपण ड्रॉ करणार ग्लोब वरती, बट दीज आर द, वी आर कन्सिडरिंग इट ॲज अ लाईन्स विच आर imaginary present on the earth, actual earth. So in this video we are first looking about a globe. We are getting the information about globe, why this globe is needed, or what is the east west diameter, north south diameter, then why globe is needed to made, or why this is created, and what is the actual use of this globe. So this is, and which is used for the measurement or determining the location on the earth, which cannot be actually determined with the help of a subdirection and direction, and for that solution is a globe. So all these about a basic concept of a globe, and how these directions are not useful to locate the any place. A globe is used to locate a place.